Hello, hi my angels, hi my pretty girls out there. This morning, you guys, I'm super excited because I have a Fashionphile unboxing. I talked to you recently about a purchase, a luxe purchase that I made from Fashionphile, and today is the day I wasn't gonna get any sleep. If I didn't open this package right now when the delivery person from UPS delivered it, I don't think I would have been able to sleep and get another good night's sleep tonight and record the video tomorrow. So I had to just go ahead and do the video right now and get started. So let me just go ahead and let's get started with this unboxing, and then I could talk to you all some more about the item in here. And let me just say that I'm not sure if this is the top or the bottom of the box. And you can see it's a true unboxing. Nothing has been breached or opened or anything yet. So I'm hoping that this is the top, not the bottom. And if it isn't, then we'll just go ahead and just, you know, try it all over again. I've been wanting this baby for a while. I have been wanting this baby for a while, and I finally was able to get it. I finally was able to purchase her. So I'm trying to see where to start with this story here. I'm trying to see where to start with this story, and I'm being careful because I can't find my scissors. Okay, there we go. So this is one that I've wanted for a while. Okay, this does look like the top of the box. I've wanted this for a while, and I waited and waited and waited, and I finally got a chance. I finally got a chance to get it. Okay, here we go. Let me put this up. Okay, perfect. So now we have this box open. Here it is. This is it. This is it. This looks like I need to turn it this way. So here is my item from Fashionphile. This is the way it came, and I'm so excited about this purchase. You know, for me, bag collecting for me is, and for all of us, I'm sure, is like a journey. You know, I've been through a hair journey, you know, with having short hair and growing my hair out. I've been through, you know, weight loss journey with, you know, my weight as a female. And, you know, women, we know how it is, how your weight fluctuates, you know, from time to time. Here this baby is right here. And this is how the box came. Okay, and it says thank you from the bottom of this box in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the way. But just like your hair, you have a journey with your hair, and you know, you have a weight loss journey from time to time. You know, as women, our weight fluctuates and we go up and down. You know, as you collect, in collecting, at least for me, I find that I have a journey with my handbags and with different things. So I love quilted bags, and I wanted this one in my collection for a while. And I have a Rebecca Minkoff in this color. Red is my favorite color. I was trying to get so I have a Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love in this lovely color. And I love that bag, and I'm still going to continue to love that bag in the Jumbo Love version. In a prior video, I stated in that video that I wanted, you know, I couldn't reach this at that time. You know, I had a Rebecca Minkoff, and I love it, and I still have that bag, and I'm going to continue to rock it and wear it. But I said, you know what, until I get one, I'm going to have to keep rocking that. And also, I wanted because I love the Kurt Geiger quilted bags as well, and I tried to get a red one that I wanted, and it was sold out, and I couldn't get it. Well, I think this baby right here is gonna cure my urge for wanting another red quilted bag, because I'll have the Rebecca Minkoff and I'll have this one. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get ahead opening this baby. So I have my receipt right here, and this is the way it came, with one little piece of confetti. Okay, there's a few more little pink pieces, but not as much as you normally get. And no nail file. I didn't get a nail file, Fashionphile. Maybe it'll be in further when I open this up. But I have my receipt right here, and it says thank you. And then it says shop, sell, repeat, you know, like they always do. And I have my receipt here, and some more cards from Fashionphile. And maybe the nail file will be in here, but I ended up doing for this one, I did overnight because I just couldn't wait on it. I wanted to wait the normal 5 to however many days it is, and I just couldn't wait. So this time around, I decided to go ahead and just have it overnighted. Oh, she looks pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and let's just go ahead and open it. It says used as the new. Let me show you that. That's upside down. I think they might have been rushing because it was overnight. So the tissue is upside down. That's okay. But this is the right way the bag should be. And it's a lambskin bag. You guys know it's a Chanel already because I put it in the title. So you know that I have a medium, but I wanted a jumbo. So let me go ahead and move all this out the way so we can enjoy her. And they just wrapped her in the dust cover. And I thought that she came with her Chanel dust cover, but I guess I don't see it. Maybe it's inside the bag. Here she is right here, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my Chanel jumbo flap. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. She's gorgeous. And this hardware is like a gunmetal hardware. Here's the tag that says Fashion File. This hardware is like a gunmetal hardware. It's so beautiful. Oh, I have to say, she's more beautiful in person than on the photo. They said she was in good condition, but I wasn't sure what to expect. And I'm really, really pleased with her. This leather feels so amazing. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy and smitten right now with this bag. I'm so grateful for this bag. Like I said, just because, you know, you work hard, you want, you know, you have different journeys in life. Like I said, with your weight fluctuating up and down, your hair, you know, and different things. And there's a million other problems in the world right now, I know. But I'm just saying that us as women, we work hard for things and we want to sometimes be able to treat ourselves. And that's what it's all about in the YouTube community, to just enjoy this passion that we love, handbag collecting. And I upload videos daily because it's my passion, you know, and that I have people that I can talk about it with that love the bags just as much as I do. So this is the bag, and this, I didn't know that this was the Chanel bag that was gonna come with it. So this is her original dust bag, which I thought her dust bag would have been, because they didn't show it on the website. They just said it came with the original dust bag, and I thought that the original dust bag was gonna be the common, you know, Mademoiselle Chanel dust bag with like that triangular pattern on it, but that's okay. This is a beautiful, lovely dust bag. The bag is so soft. This is lamb leather, not caviar, and it's so, so soft. Let me go ahead and take the chain out. It has the Mademoiselle turn lock closure right here, which I love. It has that Mademoiselle turn lock closure. That's the bottom of it. It has the Mona Lisa smile pocket. Oh, it has the beautiful Mona Lisa smile pocket with that dip with the smile right there. Oh, this is so pretty. And it's a larger size than the other Chanel that I have. So, you know, I have the medium and now I have the jumbo. I wanted to add that to my collection. Let me go ahead and take the strap out, take out what it's stuffed with. And here's the lovely strap. And I love the fact, so let's look at the interior, then I could stuff it, because she's lambskin leather and she's going to be flopping around, but she's a single flap, not a double flap, and that's common with the Chanels. You know, you're going to see that, just that happens with my Kurt Geiger bags as well as with my Rebecca Minkoff bag. But any leather bag, you know, you're going to see on the smooth side, sometimes you get a little bit of the quilted pattern because that imprint is there. That's why for me, I stress, when I store my quilted bags, I never store them with the chain hanging over them, because the leather bags are so soft and creamy and rich, that imprint from the chain will push down into your leather bag, and you don't want that. So that's the reason for the little bit of the printing of the quilting, even though this top part is smooth leather. It's so smooth. This bag is so yummy, you can just eat it up. Look at how smooth that and beautiful that leather is. Your girl is going to be able to rock this. I am definitely going to be able to rock this because I'm a red lover. I love red handbags. And you want to talk about supple leather, supple red leather. From being a lover of supple red leather with vintage Coach to supple red leather with, like I said, the Rebecca Minkoff bags and Tory Burch bags. And now to have a classic Chanel in this supple red leather is just beautiful. It's so, so pretty. So, so pretty. So she's a single flap, not a double. So she only has, you know, the one flap, and she has a back pocket. Back pocket's nice and clean in there. Beautiful dark red. It almost looks burgundy, but it's dark red. And then she has another interior flat pocket. She says Chanel. I have to smush her down a little bit. Just the leather is so soft, it's easy to be smushed. There says Chanel right there on the back, and then, you know, that's the way she looks. This is just, I'm in awe. I'm in love and I'm in awe. I'm in love. This is going to be able to hold everything. Definitely hold everything. So let me go ahead and stuff her again so that. So such a pretty bag. I have to admit, I'm a little bit smitten myself and a little bit in awe, you guys. And I love when you can go ahead and, you know, adjust the chain. So I'll be able to wear this crossbody with no problem. I'll be able to wear her crossbody with no problem. Or you can go ahead and wear her as a short shoulder. So beautiful. Such a beautiful bag. Oh, I hope my lighting does her justice. A single Chanel jumbo single flap. And it says right here, Chanel lambskin quilted jumbo single flap. Right there it says on the authenticity from Fashion File. This beauty right here is gorgeous. Let me go ahead and clip the tag because this baby ain't going back. And you have a certain amount of time to consider it, but I know she's not going anywhere. I love her too much. This is such a beautiful bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off and just save it for my own, you know, purposes. She's a keeper. She's a keeper. I love this bag. I love it so much. I know, you know, it's like, how do you love an inanimate object? But you guys know, if you're a handbag lover, we all love them. We love the bags. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for joining me for my Fashion File unboxing. I just want to say thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. I really, really appreciated you hanging out with me for this lovely unboxing. And I'm going to be back to show how I wear her, how I style her. I'll do comparisons with my new lovely baby. So thank you so much for joining me for this Fashion File unboxing of my Chanel single flap. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Check out my channel for other videos on Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and just come on aboard so we can talk about our love for handbags, you guys. And I'll see you soon in another video.